Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Today I am here to address a very imperative topic, that is modal auxiliary verbs. As you all know that we are given either narrative or descriptive writing, so the highlighted topic can help you develop good sentences in your composition. So what are basically modal auxiliary verbs? They are used to modify the mood of verb. There are some modal auxiliary verbs like will, would, must, should, could, can, may, might, won't. These basically we always have troubles in writing sentences regarding will, would, can, could, may and might. These are basically the hardest one. We always have troubles. So today I am here to basically explain it fully. So I must explain you first of all will. Basically it is used for future actions and for determination. Like he will do it. He means I have the full determination that I say he will do it. Okay. Now would. Hypothetical situation, permission, possibility, polite. In a polite way we said it. We say it. Okay. It is a possibility. He would not go to school if it were sunny. अगर मौसम गर्म होता तो वो स्कूल नहीं जाता. So basically will and would have the main difference of determination and possibility. Will holds determination and would holds possibility. Okay. Would is also said in polite way. So what is must? Must is basically used as a necessary and obligation. So I give you an example. He must offer prayer. Must है offer prayer. नमाज को अदा करना मस्ट है, जरूरी है, लाजिम है, फर्ज है. ऑब्लिगेशन मतलब फर्जी तौर पर. नाउ शुड. एडवाइस, रिकमेंडिंग. पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो एडवाइस देयर चिल्ड्रन and recommend their children not to do this, not to do that, all of this. Okay, so he should avoid telling lies. So here it is written he should avoid telling lies. एक एडवाइस मिल रही है उसे कि उसको झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. Okay. Now could. Pass permission in a polite way. It is used as a past permission. Okay. When we are saying something in a past and in a polite way, like could you do it for me? It is saying in a polite way. Now can. Ability. Informal permission. Informal basically is used for friends. Informal when we are saying someone in an informal way, like our friends, our cousins. Like जैसे हम लोग बात करते हैं, यार तू कैसा है, क्या कर रहा है. So it is basically the ability, permission. So can I go park with you? आप पार्क आप मैडम के साथ तो जाएंगे नहीं भला. आप पार्क तो अपने दोस्त के साथ ही जाएंगे, अपने कजन के साथ जाएंगे, अपने भाई के साथ जाएंगे. इसलिए can I go to park with you? It is basically showing the informal way and the permission. So here we have used can. Okay. So may. Permission, formal and possibility. Formal basically किसी big authority को कहना, high authority को कहना, ऐसे जैसे मैडम, प्रिंसिपल आपके स्कूल की और रिपोर्टर. So may I go to drink water? अब टीचर से आप पूछते हैं क्लास में, may I go to washroom? May I go to drink water? In a respected manner. Basically we are saying in a formal way. अगर हम लोग यही वर्ड अगर हम लोग अपने दोस्त को कह रहे थे तो वे यार can I go to drink water? Here, okay. Now might. Possibility but weak. We have a possibility that it would happen, but it is weak. It is not as much thick as the possibility in may. Okay. It is basically the strength. Not full strength. It is weak strength. Okay. Might. He might not fail. हमें कोई डिटर्मिनेशन नहीं है उससे, मगर हम ये यकीन हम पॉसिबिलिटी कर सकते हैं कि वो फेल नहीं होगा एग्जाम्स में. He might not fail. Okay. Won't. Future refusal. When we are refusing someone in future, like he won't go to school tomorrow. वो कल स्कूल नहीं जाएगा. So here we are end up with the modal auxiliary verbs. Hope you all have understood it well and would not make mistakes in the upcoming papers and all. Okay, it would really help you regardless of your studies, regardless of your grammar and everything. So okay, bye. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.